Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make an omelette from tomatoes, and for that we need of course some tomatoes, pepperoni, 5 eggs and some parsley. This is a very easy recipe, and for that you need to start with cutting down the tomatoes like as you see in the video. Go on and repeat this with all of the tomatoes that you have. You can use from 5 to 7, 8, depends how hungry you are. And continue with doing the same and cutting down the pepperonis into the pieces like as you see in the video. When finished, you will go on and cut down into small pieces the parsley as well. Here it is. All you have to do now is to put some olive oil into the pan, turn on the gas and go on and put the tomatoes in the pan like as you see in the video. The design here is very important, so go on and repeat everything as you see in the video. Nearly ready, and whenever all are put already there, you will go on with another step of putting the pepperonis there. Here we go, and continue with the pepperonis. As I have said before, the design is very important here, so all that we are going to do now is getting some 4 parts out of your tomato omelette. So put this in some 4 parts, and later we are going to break the eggs in them. So we'll have 1 in the center and 4 others surrounding them. The design is actually very important here because it is both tasty and very, very beautiful. But of course you can do any other design if you wish so. And whenever done with the eggs, we are going to add a little bit of salt, half teaspoon, half teaspoon of red pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, and we're going to add the parsley as well. Let it be cooked a little bit, and whenever the eggs are already cooked and the tomato is cooked, it will be ready to be tasted. We hope you've liked it. Good.